Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to master the 200 megapixel camera mode on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. So if you want to take the best pictures that you can with the 200 megapixel mode on this phone, here's what we're going to do. And the first thing is to open up the camera app and make sure that you have enabled Ultra HD mode. You can find it on the bottom left of the photo option. So here, as you can see, the Ultra HD has been enabled, and it says to make sure that the environment is well lit. And that pretty much means that we need the lighting conditions to be as best as possible, because if the lighting conditions are pretty poor, you might as well just use the normal photo mode. So once you've taken an Ultra HD mode photo, this is what it's going to look like. And you can check whether it's 200 megapixel or not by double tapping or just tapping on the three dots on the bottom right and then pressing the details, and you can see the resolution right here. Or what you can do is double tap on the image and then double tap again, and it will show you that you have switched to 200 megapixel preview. And as you can see, it captured a whole lot of details which you wouldn't normally get with a normal photo below 200 megapixels. And this is pretty much how you take 200 megapixel photos. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.